Error 59 SIS on your BDE means safety in shutting. For a sliding or folding door, this usually occurs when there is something in the clear opening of the door or dirt or dust on the sensors directly in the middle of the opening. On a swing door, this usually occurs when there's something in the closing sweep of the door or dirt or dust on the closing side sensor. To rectify this error, check the surrounding areas to ensure there's nothing obstructing the path of the door, such as a box in the way, a promotional banner, or even people who've lingered for more than 60 seconds in the doorway. If it's none of these issues, please clean the door sensors to remove any dirt or dust particles that may be activating the sensors. This may take around 2 minutes to rectify once cleared or cleaned, and the area must remain clear for the entire duration. If this does not solve the issue, an authorised technician will be required. Please fill out our report a fault form and our service team will be in touch to help.